Have you ever wondered why swans are often called the symbol of true love? It's because swans are known for forming deep bonds and often choosing one partner for life. Their story isn't just about love, it's about trust, loyalty, and growing together through every season. And that beautiful story became the inspiration behind today's painting. So hi everyone, welcome back to my creative world. In today's video, I'll be sharing the process and the story behind this beautiful swan painting. Every color, every brushstroke, every ripple in water was added with a purpose, and I can't wait to share that journey with you. When I started this artwork, I didn't just want to paint two swans floating on water. I wanted to create a feeling. I wanted this painting to tell a story the moment someone looked at it. The first thing you'll notice is beautiful blue water. Blue has always been one of my favorite colors because it creates a sense of peace and calmness. Here the blue water represents the journey of life. Just like water, life is always moving. Sometimes it is calm and smooth, and sometimes it is filled with waves and challenges. The main subjects of this painting are, of course, the two swans. As they gently face each other, they create a sense of connection and harmony. Their posture feels calm and peaceful, but at the same time, it speaks about a powerful bond. They don't need words to communicate, their presence alone tells the story. One of the reasons I chose swans is because they are often associated with loyalty and lifelong companionship. In many cultures around the world, swans represent love, purity, and devotion. When we think about love stories, we often imagine grand gestures and dramatic moments. But sometimes the most beautiful love stories are the quiet ones, the ones built on trust, understanding, patience, and simply being there for each other. That's the feeling I wanted to capture in this painting. For me, that's a reminder that true relationships are not about avoiding challenges. They're about facing those challenges together. I also used different shades of blue to create depth and dimension. The lighter blues add brightness and reflection, while the darker tones bring richness and contrast. The reflection beneath the swans were one of my favorite parts to paint. Reflections are beautiful because they remind us that what we see on the surface is only part of the story. Every relationship has deeper emotions, memories, and experiences hidden beneath what others can see. Now, let's talk about the green leaves in the background. These leaves are not just decorative elements. They represent growth, hope, and new beginnings. Just like a healthy tree grows stronger over time, meaningful relationships also grow through care, patience, and understanding. I wanted the greenery to feel protective, almost like nature itself is watching over these two swans. Another important part of this painting is the use of white. The swans are painted in white because white symbolizes purity, honesty, and peace. Against the vibrant blue background, the white swans immediately become the focal point of the artwork. Their brightness draws the eye and creates a sense of elegance and grace. As I painted each feather, I imagined the softness of the swans and the gentle movement of water around them. Art for me is never just about creating something beautiful. It's about expressing emotions. Sometimes a painting can say things that words cannot. And this artwork reminds me that the strongest connections are often built quietly through trust, respect, kindness, and understanding. Whether you see this painting as a symbol of friendship, family, or love, I hope it brings you a feeling of peace whenever you look at it. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed this artwork and the story behind it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more paintings, creative ideas, and artistic inspiration. Remember, every painting begins with colors, but the most beautiful artworks are created from emotions.